So we're taking a walk from the park. It's Friday afternoon and it's the very start of December. Summertime has just started and we're just strolling along in the street.
And we're going to see the building site.
The building site, exactly. So what happens on the street is that there's all these individual terraces, all about 5 meters wide. And some of them are built further forwards than others, but all around early 1900s. And you can see the houses are built almost touching each other on the boundaries. Alright, so that's the floor level.
Oh.
So that's the front door. The line of the front wall is there. The front door is here. Hi, and thanks for joining me on my video. My name is Niall. I'm an architect based in Melbourne. I'm a passive house designer, and we're about to get started on a very new project that's very dear to us. We're really excited about this. I personally have put a lot of work into this project. This is going to be our new family home. We're about 3 streets back from the beach in inner Melbourne, and we're here under the gum trees. It's just turned summer, so it's the very start of December. I'm going to be doing probably a weekly or fortnightly videos just to take you through progress as we go here on site. This is going to be a very unusual project, an uncommon building method. We're using Glu-Lam posts and beams that are all being prefabricated, and everything should just slot into position on site. That's the theory. So yeah, I'll take you through and show you the building site as it is before we get started. Yeah, the characteristic is about 5 meters per plot width, and what that means is that you've got to be clever about where you're going to get light and ventilation from. So it means you have a long narrow house pretty much by default, and you've got to find courtyards and roof lights and light wells and other means to do it. So as you can see, we have site plumbing down, and the builder has set out the levels. We've checked with the surveyor about the boundaries, which is very important, and you can see the string lines have been put into position along here. So the pipes that you see sticking up are for the plumbing, and we'll have a concrete slab here, so everything has to be laid out perfectly beforehand. So where I'm standing is going to be the heart of the family home. It's going to be the kitchen bench. It's a bit soon to make you a cup of tea or good Melbourne coffee, but hopefully if you keep joining me every week, we'll get to that stage not before too long. So as I said, it's a long narrow plot, and so we've got light coming into the courtyard here and light coming in at the rear. We'll have skylights overhead here as well, and yeah, we'll obviously have windows and doors at the front of the house. So that's the default arrangement that you can do around here. You've just got to take that light and ventilation wherever you can. So how I know where I'm standing is because on the site you can see a series of white pipes sticking up. Each of those is a location of a drain or sewer, and we've also done stormwater pipes as well. So we've got sandy soil here, and we'll have a concrete slab that's about to start next week. So I'm just standing down now towards the rear part of the house. There's a gentle slope across the site. I'll just do a little spin and you can see. So from front to the back there's about 750 mil in difference. So what I've done is I've come in on the entrance level. I've stepped down 2 steps down after we pass the staircase, and then as we get down here between the kitchen dining, we'll step down 3 steps into the living space. So my idea there is that 3 steps is a really good height, about 450, for kids to play on, sit on, and kind of perch and interact with people in the kitchen, and also sort of turn around and be part of the living room as well and have that view out to the courtyard garden at the rear. So yeah, right about where I am will just be where the couch will be sitting, and that'll be our garden at the back.
Dad, I make this go up.
Yeah, put it in there, wrap it around.